This is a Sony SP55 stereo set, which I bought secondhand for a very decent price, because the CD tray won't open. When we turn it on, we hear a lot of noise, so a motor is running, but the tray won't open. The CD player is about 25 years old, and chances are the rubber belt driving the CD tray has deteriorated and needs to be replaced. Let's have a look inside. Remove the 4 screws on the sides. Remove the bridge. And there we find Robbie Williams' greatest hits as a bonus. I will bring it back to the previous owner, because this must be the last thing she was able to play in this nice little CD player and deserves to hear it again in full CD quality instead of a compressed bit stream. And when we open the CD tray, we find the belt loose from the motor and the gear driving the tray. So we remove the old belt. And we put in a new one. And to make sure it works, test it before reassembling the whole player. And yes, that works quite well. And it is also playing the CD. After reassembly, look at it shine. Thank you so much for watching this video. Do comment if you were able to repair your CD player by changing the belt as well. Please consider joining the channel, and I hope you will join me in the next video.